Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a digital scrapbook design in the mobile app Canva by using photos, elements, stickers, and text. So first you're going to want to obviously open up the app. And at this point, if you do not already have an account, go ahead and make one of those before continuing with this tutorial. It's free to sign up for anyone to use, so go ahead and do that and it'll take like 5 seconds to make. And also before this tutorial, make sure you have 7 pre-selected photos in your camera roll that you are going to be wanting to use for this design. So after you have your account set up and you have your photos, you are going to obviously open up the app like I said before, and it's going to take you to the home screen where a bunch of AI tools will come up, your recent designs if you already have an account, and then different sizes and design styles for different forums that you can make your designs for. But since we are not going to be using any kinds of templates and we're making this design from scratch, you're going to go ahead and click the purple plus sign button at the bottom of the screen. From here, a Would You Like to Create tab will appear that is for docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, different things like that, different sizing, templates. But yet again, since we are not using a template and we're creating it from scratch, you're going to want to go ahead and click Instagram post in the Create New section. And from here, it's going to take you to a blank page. But first, different templates are going to pop up again for this specific kind of design style. But yet again, since we are making it from scratch, you're just going to want to scroll down and exit out of the templates tab so it leaves you with a blank screen. The first step that we are going to be taking for this design into the scrapbook is obviously to add in the pictures from your camera roll. So to do this, as you see, there's a toolbar at the bottom of the screen with design, elements, text, and obviously camera roll. So to insert your pictures, you're going to go ahead and click the camera roll button, and it is going to take you to the tab of where all of your images in your camera roll are. If this is your first time with this account and this is your first time in the app, it's going to ask you to allow access to your camera roll. And since the photos are obviously in your camera roll, you're going to hit allow full access. That way you're able to see everything. So after you do that, and after you're at this page, you're going to want to select 5 of your 7 photos that you want to go on the screen. And those are automatically just going to appear on the blank design that you are able to move around and put wherever you see fit. For this design, you're going to want to fill most of the background with these pictures. It'll be a little bit hard, but you can just select the photos and grab the endpoints of them with those little white dots on the corners and resize, reshape, move them to where you really see fit. So after all of your pictures are where you want them to be, we are then going to add ripped picture frames. And to do this, you're going to go in that same toolbar at the bottom of the screen and hit the Elements tab. From here, it's going to show you shapes, graphics, and again, if you've had this account, it'll be recently used, obviously. To find the ripped picture frames, you're going to go to Search Elements on the search bar at the top of the screen, and then you're going to look up ripped picture frame. From here, it's going to give you a plethora of frames that you can choose from. And for this design, you can choose any one that you want. You can still be creative with it. So I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to rotate it using that circle button at the bottom of the picture with the arrows circling each other. And then I'm also going to add another one. And by adding another one, you just click that same Elements tab, and this will automatically just pop up because it was your last search. I'm just going to throw these on the page. It's just about removing it and just seeing wherever it looks good, I guess. So to get the image placeholders out of the ripped picture frames, you're going to select what frame you want. And you'll know it's selected when a purple box appears outside of the picture frame. And once you select it, a toolbar will come at the bottom of the screen with replace, color, animate, transparency, layers, all that. And you're going to want to click the replace button, which will just take you back to your camera roll to where you can select what photos you want where. And you can do the same exact process for the other frame as well. And then from here, you can just resize them yet again if you need to, or move the pictures around or anything like that. So after we have the ripped picture frames and all of our photos on the screen, we are going to want to add stickers onto the screen. And the way you add stickers is the same exact way that you add the rip picture frames. It's that Elements tab at the bottom of the toolbar. And instead of searching up rip picture frame, I'm just going to look up any kind of sticker that I want. So I'm just going to look up heart sticker. And basically whatever kind of sticker you want, just look it up with the word sticker after it. So we'll just select this one. We'll add it around, make it small. We'll do star sticker. And then we'll just put it up here, resizing it yet again. And then we'll just add one more sticker. And then we'll just do this one. You can choose any sticker you want for any aesthetic that you are going for. So now that you are done with your design, you're going to want to save it to your phone. And the way to do this is by clicking the downward arrow going into the line at the top right-hand side of the screen. And then it'll just save this device to your camera roll. It might take a couple seconds. And then it'll save. So now that you have saved this to your camera roll and that you have all of the tools to design a scrapbook looking image in the mobile app Canva, you can use this to post on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever you see fit. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and thanks again for watching. Bye.